Hello guys, you're welcome once more to MPT. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome to subscribe to the channel, and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board on logarithm, okay? If you don't mind, you can pause the video, attempt the question, and then come back to the video. Alright, so let's quickly look at it. It says, given that we have log y to the power of r base 2 is equal to log 125 base what? 5. So we're asked to find the value of what? Y. So to solve this, okay, 125 is quite large, so we want to express it in terms of 5. 125 means 5 times 5, which is 25, and times 5 is going to give us 125. Now, these two index form or exponential form is 5 to the power of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is our first step in this question. So in place of 125, I'm going to replace it with this. Okay, so this is going to be log, okay, y to the power of half base 2 is equal to log. In place of 125, we have 5 to the power of 3 base 5. Okay, so with this, we can observe same power, what? Same base here, okay? So, but before we do that, okay, we have a law of what? Such that if we have the power, that's the power of number law, if we have the power here, we can bring this power here as equation to multiply all this, okay? And what do we call that? We call that the power of number law. So for the power of number law, if I have log, say, n, okay, say to the power of what? X, all right? It means this x can come here to multiply all these. So x multiplied by log the number to be what? B. So we are going to apply that here. So we are going to have log y to the power of half base 2 is equal to what? So this 3 comes down like x comes down here. 3 multiplied by log 5 base 5. Now this, like I said, we have what? Log. Say a base a is equal to what? 1. We'll call this same number, same base. Okay? So when the base and the number are the same, it's always 1. Alright? So we're going to apply that here. And if we apply that here, that is going to give us what? So we are going to get this becomes 1, so we have 3 times 1. So on the left hand side, we still have our log y to the power of half base 2 is equal to what? This is 3 times what? 1, which is what? 3. Alright? So this becomes log y to the power of half base 2 is equal to what? 3. Now at this point, what can we apply to be able to solve for y? Okay. We are simply going to change these, okay, to what? Index form or exponential form. Remember, logarithm and indices, they have a family connection such that you can change an exponential index form to logarithm form and logarithm form to index. So how do we change this? Now the idea is if I have log, let's say number b is equals to x, okay? Now this is going to come here. So when it comes here, it will push this up to become a power. So that is going to be equal to what? N. Okay? So that is how to simply change, the logarithm form to what? An index form. So we're going to apply same here. So the idea is 2 is going to come this way. And when it does, okay, the 3 here becomes the power. So we are going to add what? 2 to the power of what? 3. And we are left with what? Y to the power of what? R. Okay. And 2 to the power of 3 simply means what? We have 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. And that is 8. So we have y to the power of r is equal to what? 8. So we can also write that as 8 to the power of what? 1. Okay. Now, how do we remove this r as the power there? There are two ways we can remove that. One way is, now remember, y to the power of r also means square root of what? Y, which is equal to what? 8. Okay? So one way is we can what? Take the square of both sides. So if I have y square root of y squared, I'm also going to say 8 squared. So this can cancel out this, so we're left with y is equal to 8 squared means 8 times 8, which is what? 64. So this is one method, right? The next method is you multiply this power by 2, multiply this power by 2. So this will cancel this, so we are left with y, which is equal to what? 1 times 2 is still what? 2. So 8 squared also means what? 64. So 64 is actually the answer to this simple problem. Well guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and I'm going to see you guys in my next